Okay, last ride for Granny Bird. Bumps on for the speed bumps. They surround a lot of them on this one road now here. Kind of got you angled there, don't I? Fence there. Should we go chase the golf cart? That's our golf course there, some of it anyway. The thing spreads all over the place. Golf cart spreads all over. And these are nice homes here. I mean, a lot of people talk about trailer trash. These are not. I mean, this is well kept up. Some of these homes are older, but they're beautiful homes. They are just beautiful homes. Yeah, always like going out here, walking around. So, got a worker right there. Hello? Yeah, here we go, another speed bump. This is where I took some pictures of. I stopped right here a while back, took some pictures underneath that tree right there with the old Granny Bird here. So, yeah. There's a pond out there that Nova, my dog, loves to go out and watch the ducks on the pond. I don't know if we can see it or not from here or not. Yeah. Okay, oh, take a look at the mountains up there. That's beautiful mountains up there. Yeah. Okay, now we're coming back. This is my neighbor. Must be nice having a golf tee right or whatever they call it right in your front yard. Neighbor's place there. This is where I live right here. This is my house. We're going past it now. Yep, that's where I live. Okay, and then that's my view out the door. And now we're going for the last ride in Granny Bird here, because this is, I need to adjust my hand a minute here. It's starting to get pins and needles from holding this thing up here. But this is the last ride. There's another view of the park. Okay, what's this guy doing here? What are we doing here? Return. There you go. Okay, I think they were just admiring Granny Bird. Or at least that's what I like to think anyway. Now see, here's some more of the park over here. Right. Some more of the park here. Get up here where we can see it. Yeah, it's just in segments here. So. Okay. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah, another part of the park there. I'm gonna pull over and let this guy go by me here. Sorry about that, but. And okay, so now we're letting a vehicle go by me. That's why you ended up looking at probably the floor. Who knows what you were looking at there. But I don't want him to have to wait on me while I'm getting adjusted. Oh, he's turning anyway. That always happens, doesn't it? Some more mountains back up in there. And then this is where we're going to go out and park in front here. And we're going to shut you down now.